Edit a quiz question after a quiz is available and even after some learners have submitted quiz attempts. This tutorial shows how to edit a quiz question during a quiz's availability and update learners' grades accordingly. This task requires 2 steps. First, we will edit the quiz question to correct it for learners who have not yet taken the quiz. Second, we will update attempts that have already been made on the quiz. To begin editing the quiz question, click the quiz's context menu and select Edit. Click Add Edit Questions. Then, click the question's context menu and select Edit. Edit the quiz question. In this example, we will edit the question answer so that the correct response is the second option and not the first. When you have finished your edits, click Save. Click Done Editing Questions. Then, click Save and Close. You are returned to the Manage Quizzes page. If you want updated attempts to be automatically pushed to your gradebook before updating quiz attempts, ensure that the quiz's assessment settings allow for the automatic export of grades. This option is found under the Assessments tab when editing a quiz. Next, we will update the quiz attempts for learners who have already completed the quiz. To update attempts, click the quiz's context menu and select Grade. Click the Questions tab. Then, confirm that the Update All Attempts option is selected. The edited question replaces the incorrect question in the question list. The incorrect question appears in the Questions that are not in the quiz anymore section. Click the question text to update the attempts. You can update the number of points for all attempts by inputting the desired score for the incorrect answer, or give points to a specific answer. In this example, give 1 point to answer 2. Include a comment, if desired, to explain to learners why the update was made. When you are ready, click Save. Ensure that the Published option is checked for each attempt you updated. This ensures that the system pushes the updated attempts to your gradebook. Then click Save and Close. This returns you to the Manage Quizzes page. Edit a quiz question after a quiz is available and even after some learners have submitted quiz attempts.